Welcome everyone to another video of Raiden Community YouTube channel. In this video, we will be talking about how to create a basic Modmail bot, and in motive of this video or the series of video which will be coming on the same topic will actually be to how to teach the basics that how you can get information on what you should do if you want to create a Modmail bot. So let's get started. I am just like opening this folder within my Visual Studio Code, as you can see. So my project has been loaded. Now this is not a project, it's just a folder which has been loaded within my Visual Studio Code. Now what we are doing is initializing a Git repository and adding a remote to the Git repository. Now you can just come over to my GitHub and search for Discord.js template and get the code link and add it to the remote of the Git repository. Now in order to fetch the code from the cloud, just type git pull origin main. It's simple and everything will happen automatically, and you will have my handler code in your project directory. Now what you need to do is to create an event file which will be responsible to listen for the messages which user will send to the DM of the bot. And then what you need to do, you need to create a channel within the server which will map all the messages which are coming in the DMs to that particular channel, and all the messages which will go within the channel should be sent in the DM, and vice versa you have to do so. So what I have done, I have just created a folder called Modmail within the events folder and created a file called receivedm.js. By the name you can get what I am going to do within this file. The code within this file will allow the bot to actually get watch out for the DMs, any DMs which user throws. Now I am just installing Discord.js library right here. I am just like a little bit feeling uneasy. Okay, so I've just added a condition. If all the messages, actually what the message create event does, most of you might know about it. The code within the code block will run every time the bot sees any message. So at first we added a filter or the if condition. If the message is sent in the DM, then only you are going to do that stuff. Then we are going to get the category channel from the server itself. As you can see, client.channel.get. It's very simple. Also we are filtering out any DMs by any other bot, because you know people are dumb and they just want to test out your system, so they do this. So just keep it a filter for the safe zone. Now we are also filtering out the category type. Why we are doing so, you might ask, for the lovely JS Docker references. Now AI helped us a bit in just creating the code for the creation of the channel, though it has some inaccuracies, and let me fix them real quick. At first the name will go within the object itself. It's from the Discord v14, and I guess the AI knows the code from the Discord v13. This method.guild.id is the ID of the everyone role, and you are going to allow the message author, or if you have some staff roles, then you are just going to paste the staff role from here, like I am showing you. That I have a role called moderators. I'm just getting his ID and pasting right here, and the permissions you want to allow will go in that particular array. It's pretty simple. Don't just make it complicated. It's pretty simple. We have not done anything complicated to yet. What we have done, just filtered out the DMs, filtered out the bots. Okay, now we globally got the category channel, and then we have created a channel within that particular category. Okay, it's pretty simple. Don't just get hyped up. Now in order to map the DM with the category channel or the channel which we have created within the category, we are required to take help of the database. So I'm just creating a model file within here. In the handler, there is no model folder, so it's totally upon you where you wanna create the model folder. But just make sure to have imports of these schema files correctly, and everything will be fine. Now, as you can see, I am just creating a schema file, and I got the schema class from the Mongoose library. Then I declared a Modmail schema variable within the schema class, and adding user ID and the channel ID for the map purposes. Now I am just going to use this particular schema is very simple. The document will only exist when the okay, I'll leave this. I guess the explanation which I was going to do right now can confuse you a bit, so I will do it later on, or maybe in the further parts, cause if I create a Modmail bot in this one video, then this video is gonna be so long that most of you might just feel asleep. Oh man, what is this? So I'm just creating a very basic setup in this particular video. Now I'm just going to check what I'm doing right now is that I'm checking for existing document within the database. Now you might ask why there will be an existing document. See, if what I am going to do is I will create a document within the database whenever a user sends DM to the bot. Okay. Now if the user has already DM'd the bot and he is sending a follow-up message for his ticket or the Modmail, so you are required to send those messages to a channel, right? So how you gonna differentiate these things? It's only possible when you are just like mapping user IDs with the existing channel IDs, and when the task is done you just have to delete the document. It's pretty simple. So I've just changed the logic a little bit while talking to you. Actually I was just like messing up a part, you know, I am only human. I don't have like code within my mind that I will just come over here and write. I'm recording it live, so it's like obvious that I can also make mistakes. It was not a mistake, but like you may say it was something which came into my mind that I can do stuff like in this particular manner. Then I changed the plan. So nothing to worry about, because you are just watching this video at how I am going to do stuff. Channel.send, okay, .channel. So let me add one more JSDoc reference for the channel type. Okay, now it's rendering. You can see the magic of JSDoc. JSDoc, if you are just like looking after your code with the JSDoc references, I am damn sure that your life will be a lot more easier. Invalid token was provided. Wait a second, let me just grab token in the MongoDB URL. So I've just created a .env file off camera. You can see the procedure in the readme of my template in. And I pasted the token in the MongoDB URL within that file. And now you can see release intent error. Pretty common error. What you just want to do is to go to the developer portal, select our application, and just sign up for the presence intent, which is actually missing here. Yeah, pretty easy. Now when I restart the bot, it should actually launch this time. No error while launching at least, or I'm dumb. Okay, the bot is online. So if I say hi to the bot, now what the bot does, message command are only supported in a server words from the handler. Wait a second. Just see the fix, how I'm going to do it. It's from the message create file, you know. My handler is like that you cannot run commands on the DM. So just comment this line and you are good to go. And one more thing, this condition was working vice versa, so we have to fix that as well. So I typed hi there, and as you can see there is an error, cannot read properties null. Here, either it's from author.null or it's from category.id. From where it is, I guess I have to debug it off camera, or else it's gonna be trouble. Let's try one more time. Okay, so I just debug it off camera. What I did, I just logged the message of the author just above the doc line, and then I logged the doc file just below the database doc, and as you can see, there is a null. Now both console logs were working, but still there were null. Now look at the line 22, what it says, message.guild.id, and from where the message is coming? From the DMs. Now just imagine dms.guild.id. Yeah, I know I messed up, so I just sent hello. Invalid bitfield flag number view channel. Oh yeah, damn. It's just like I'm feeling like I'm drunk enough. Let me just like fix it real quick. Okay, so we are fine. Let me restart the bot. And let me type no jokes this time. Please create a channel. Please, please, please. Here you go. So we have a channel within the specified category in the server, and when the user DMs the bot. And you might ask, hey, there is no UI, there are a lot of things missing. I know there are a lot of things missing, but I can't record each and everything in one video, you know. I just showed you how you can get these things set up very easily by using the database, because main thing is the database mapping. Now I'm showing that if the message map is working or not, or the bot was off. Let me start it real quick. Then I am sending it again. Okay, as you can see, the bot has mapped our DM to this channel very easily. Now in the following parts, I am just going to show you that how you can create this particular stuff in a most advanced manner, like how you can add more customization, how you can have ping roles, how you can like have some close buttons, have a staff going over here, claim stuff and things like that. And if you are very impatient, because you might be, because we know that our video comes a little bit late, then you have two choices. Just go over to the discord.js guide and try stuff on your own, and just come over to server and ask your queries in the code help channel. Just make sure to have that bot development tag in the channel.roles. So that's all for now. Thank you all for watching.